Alright, so we got the tractor here. We got this car in here, and we got the motor. And John's here. And now we're gonna do something super sketchy and get this giant motor out of the bed of this truck. It should be interesting. Safety third. Alright, so we're gonna go play with the ramp truck today. So I don't know how much you guys have seen, because realistically I haven't put videos together in forever. But we got 12 valve. It's been sitting in the back of this truck. And this truck's actually gonna get back on the road soon. So that 12 valve needs to find a new home. So we're gonna end up putting it in here like was the plan. Problem is, there's a ton of stuff in the way and this is way far away from the garage. So with that all being said, I need to pull the front core support here again, pull the front bumper again. I think I'm gonna leave the fenders because I got a bird nest that has gotten in there with like 6 eggs. And I don't think I can move that nest without destroying it. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing there yet. I'm gonna figure that out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna pull the front core support, the radiators, all this stuff, transcoolers, all this good stuff out of here. And then we're gonna clean up the power steering and hydraulic pumps, because we have 2 of them in here and we only need 1. So we need to swap all that around, clear us up some room, got our throttle cable we can get up and out of the way. And then I'm gonna reuse the stock mounts because I want some sort of urethane, and if they don't work out and I need to go to hard mounts, I can just redo it. I think I might have to pull all of that and redo the entire mounting setup. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get it hung in here and get an idea. I have no idea. Not a whole lot of info out there that I've been able to see. So that's what we're gonna do. You've seen us get a, well, yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen everything, but you've seen us put all this stuff together. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this all off, and then I got some people coming over and we'll do some more stuff when they get here. But yeah, we would have.
Super sketch.
What are you talking about? What?
So mine's on the little pin. Yours is on the horseshoe. Does that matter?
Shouldn't matter.
Okay. Weren't we strapped to the pedal?
We undid that at one point.
I'm still strapped over here.
Well, we aren't over here.
So we should probably run some straps across.
Hold on, let me see if this strap, I might have unhooked the strap that was strapped to the pallet. I did. Alright,
So take this off so it's not a toe buster, because we're not wearing steel toes.
You're wearing toes? I'm not even wearing toes.
I'm wearing toes, but they're not, you know, they're both through.
Alright, I'm gonna pull the chalk here. Oh, maybe.
Hold on. But
I got it. Or, yeah, we're good. Alright, let go.
rolling fast.
How we looking?
Looking pretty decent.
Shit.
Our pulleys are over the tailgate.
Okay. What was that?
I don't know, you got it for a second? It's on your side.
Yeah, I got it.
Something made noise over there.
Looks like it's just a strap. You're good. Give us a push. What the hell is that?
I think it might be the bungee cord flapping around stuff. You got this for a second?
Yeah. Because that should probably be undone, whatever that is.
We're going to roll back forward. A little more. Alright.
What was this bungee running over? We good now?
Yep. Till we hear the next one. And a little bit more. We're clear.
All right.
On the ground.
So that was the sketch of getting that in and out. So I think, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to put it on the freaking engine, the lift, to put it in the truck.
Yeah.
Because it's not gonna be able to go in and out with this.
No.
I mean, I'm taking the hood and fenders and all that shit off of that one anyhow, but.
Well, okay. But remember the issue that we had last time is that the lift would not go around the pallet.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to figure out a way to set it down, take the pallet off, and then pick it back up, put it to the lift, and then figure out other lifting points while it's still connected to that, or
Yeah.
find some good stuff to put it down.
So what I will probably end up doing is lifting it from the motor mounts right here.
Okay. You
What?
can come to my house. I receive.
Is that what that is? So yeah, we'll lift it from the motor mounts, and then we can pull the pallet and everything out from underneath it, and then we can roll the lift in and pick the motor from here off of the here.
You know what though? What's actually touching? Not really anything. Just the oil pan.
Oil pans, yeah.
So we can, if we got a piece of wood, we can just put a piece of wood underneath the concrete.
Well,
tire,
so
just
the
pop it out.
yeah,
there.
because the tire is the part that's holding most of the weight.
Yeah. I mean, we can do that right now. We can just unlash the damn thing.
Okay. We need to do something about this floor.
Probably get some OSHA-approved slip resistant shoes.
Yeah, you probably should. Pull the pin. And we at least got to be here. What? What? The pin works like a charm.
Yeah, good.
It'll be all right.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm on top of it, but I think we can.
Need to come back just a little bit. Well, that'll actually, yeah, that's not going to be good. You'll never be able to get it out from underneath that wood. Lift it back up a little bit, and I'll spin the wood some.
Or swap it. Put the little 2x4 on the bottom. No, put the little 2x6 on the bottom. Put the big one on top. We'll go underneath it. I don't know that this is going to work. I don't know if this is going to go high enough.
Probably not. We'll probably have to take this down and tighten the chain up.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
We should probably do that now. That's great.
I mean, I'll do it in a second, but yeah, we're going to have to. I don't know. We're not going to be able to tighten the chain up though.
Why?
That bolt won't go through any of these links.
It'll go through this.
How? Not with the chain in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I know.
But that's all right. I got that thing.
What thing?
The thingamajiggy on the tractor. A big one of the horseshoes.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I got a 3/4 one. That dogger pulled 20 grand.
I'll just put it on the bench for now.
Yeah, I keep one on there just in case I gotta pull something duty. But never had that problem before. Actually, once. Yeah, one time.
Oh, where it's too big? Yeah, no, I've had that problem. It's a goddamn travesty. Because I can put this one in there. The problem is it twists the shit out of the motor. I need another chain. If it was one link longer, it'd be good. Because then I could put it in just like this. You know what I mean?
Chain?
Do I have a chain big enough? That is the question.
Well, let me ask you this.
Uh-huh.
How much are them toe straps rated at?
5,000 pounds.
Okay, well, let's say you're nowhere near 5,000 pounds. Put it over the top.
Then you got to worry about it sliding.
You got clamps?
Now we're getting sketchier than I want to be with 1,600 pounds.
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean,
Throwing ideas out there.
they're actually not bad ones for once, but
You know, you're so rude to me.
I just gave you a compliment.
So rude to me. Yeah, but you know, they at the end just ruined it. Rude. That is way overkill. 40,000 pound chain.
That's just the chain that was on top.
Jesus.
This
I'm surprised that bag even holds those chains.
one might work.
The links aren't big enough.
You don't think so? I don't know how well this is gonna work. I might need to cut the grinder. Maybe that's just that good blade.
No. That should
Oh, I see what's going on here. I'm like, I'm tight. How is this not tight?
I was going to say, why is it there?
Alright. Now, we need a wrench and a socket for this.
It's getting ready to be when I take that tractor back down the road.
Oh, now that I fixed your tractor, you're going to just roll out with it. Oh, okay, I see. I see.
Trying to help you be patient. Or you don't need this big thing, right?
No. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sketchy.
We should call this down and dirty.
Chicago.
Welcome to the DDG.
Alright.
So, you just gonna let it hang on that, or? That's not gonna drop, is it?
Shouldn't.
I think mine does.
No, mine doesn't drop.
Which I don't understand why.
Yours drops?
The guy did say that there's it auto bleeds itself.
Are you talking about the tractor? Yeah, no, it does it on purpose.
It never gets air in a lot.
Um,
When it does, it bleeds it out over time.
yeah, I'm not too worried about that thing right now. It's not going on anywhere. And in the meantime, basically all I'm going to do is drive this truck out of here. We just need to push the S10 up a little bit, the other one up a little bit, so we got a straight shot in. Well, there goes all the screws for Isaac. Hey, keep an eye out for an 8mm if it falls out of the engine bay anywhere.
Might have fell out already in your...
Well, I checked everywhere. It didn't fall out when I drove it out. But with all this shaking it around, it might have fallen out on the way back in. I was revving it up and it was shaking and torquing and banging.